Hey everybody, welcome to NoCoastOutfitters.com. My name is Jim. Today we're taking a look at a dual-purpose, innovative little product that'll help you blow things up without explosives. We'll be right back. Hey everybody, so today we're testing out the Giga Pump 2.0. And this little guy, it only weighs about 89 grams. It has a 1300 mAh battery, which is pretty impressive. It inflates, deflates, and comes with all the accessories that you need for just about anything out there. And it fits on all of my devices, so I have nothing to complain with there. It's made by the Micro Novelty company, so I would say that they weren't quite ready for this thing to take off like it did with the camping and backpacking industry with a name like that, but it actually is a decent product. It's made out of decent polymers. It seems to be a good product. So we're going to blow some things up, see how long it takes. We'll go over some of the features right now. So it's a powerful little blower. If you press the button down here on the bottom, so we have a button down here. You press this twice, the pump comes on. That's pretty impressive. If you press and hold, you then get your illumination. This has 3 different levels of illumination. Starts with 40, goes to 100, and then goes to 400. Now, if you can imagine this being in your tent, I mean, you can use this just about anywhere. It's a good little light. I mean, it's bright. Press once to turn it off. Charges in about 2.5 hours. So from fully dead to fully charged, it was about 2.5 hours. Honestly, I don't have any complaints about the quality. I think it's a very innovative product. It's very lightweight and it's very user-friendly. So let's check out what this thing can inflate. Let's just inflate a few things, see how long it takes, and kind of give you, what that looks like, what the adapters look like, and kind of what you'll expect in the field. So let's do that now. Okay, so let's kind of see what this little guy can do. So we have our pump and we have our adapters. So these adapters that we use just fit different nozzle sizes on these. So this one has a fairly large external nozzle. So that's what we'll focus on with this guy. And on this, I use this Neoprene Seal. So the reason I do that is because it actually fits around here nice, and the more that you push into it, it's concave, or it's angled here at the end, so that actually seals up against it tight. So let's open the valve. Valve's fully open. Our pump is on. Get that situated on there. And we'll give it now you saw that didn't take time, hardly any time at all. Yeah, it only takes a few breaths to blow it up, but you're not filling it full of condensated air with your lungs. This is a sleeping pad I actually take out quite a bit. It's like my thermarest, and it's a good old faithful. I lost the cover to it quite a while ago, so I have to use lashing straps. But this one has very similar fill valve. We'll just get this all up and get that off the edge there. So this is, my standard Pro Light, and it is empty. So we'll use this same technique. We'll get this. Actually, that one doesn't fit so hot on that. So let's find the one that does. So in evaluating this, I can already see that there isn't a perfect fit, but at the same time, with this being angled at the end, I can push this in, get a good air seal. I was hoping to not have to do that, but hey, it's all part of it. They want to try and fit everything, so I can respect that. So I'm going to, valve is loose. I'm going to hold this against there, and we're going to fill this thing up. So let's see how long this takes here. So I'm going to say I let some air out as it was coming off, but I'm going to say that was just about 20 seconds. So to fill up a Thermarest, just a standard Pro Light, the regular size, took about 20 seconds. Which, honestly, isn't bad because you still have plenty of juice and your light still functions. You still have power left over. So, let's go to the next biggest one. This is my Climate Velux XL. And it's a big one. But it has an R value of about 4.5. So when it's super cold, I can use it. It's great. So this has the inset valve, and then this has the inflate side. So let's find an adapter here that's gonna work well with that. And it looks like this orange one right here, actually. Just double check. Yep. So this one I can imagine is probably going to take a little bit longer. So let's give it a try. Let's see just how good this Giga Pump can do on the static Velux. So there you have it. There's the Giga Pump in action. Now, is there a quality control issue with the way some of those things fit? Not at all, because they don't know what diameter everybody's going to use. And honestly, if you use it correctly, it will fit. They've made angles and concave areas that will grip just about anything. So I haven't had a problem inflating or deflating all of my devices. So I have to say that's a plus. The other thing is the weight. Very lightweight, very compact. That's another plus. The life that this thing has in it, just the flashlights alone, even if you forget your flashlight and this is a backup, this is a great backup. It can be used, like I said, a 25 device. I mean, you could blow up. You've got to think about the run time, and it takes 12 seconds to a minute to inflate something. You've got pretty good longevity there. The other thing is the cost. $28 for this guy with all the adapters, a nice little black carry case, all the adapters inside of it. I think it's a great deal. Some of the downfalls, it's not waterproof. The other one being, it's not the highest quality plastic. So, I mean, this isn't going to be like a Kynar. This isn't going to be a bulletproof. You can't run it over. The interior plastic pieces is a very, it's not brittle. It's just a general use hard plastic. So there's no additives to make it stronger or reinforced. As far as other downfalls, that's all I see. It's loud, I guess, if that bothers you, but other than that, it's great. It has way more positives than negatives, so this is absolutely a buy. We're going to put a link to where you can buy this on Amazon. It's not an affiliate link. We don't do any affiliates, and we don't do any paid promotion or any of that stuff, so check it out. Like, subscribe. If you like this video, if you got any value out of this video, just hit the like button and let us know. Comment down below. you know, we're a new channel, so we're going to try and bring you some of the coolest little devices we can when we run across them. We have a lot coming up, so please stay tuned. The weather's turning nice here, so we're going to be switching this to outdoors here pretty quick. So, as always, never stop exploring, you know. Or hashtag no coast explorers, and we'll follow you everywhere. I check it quite a bit. I check that hashtag. It will grow, and pretty soon it'll be, you know, something that people can go to, and they can see products, and they can see people, they can see their friends, and I'm excited for that day when it comes. So, like I said, you know, this is a good little product. I would definitely invest the $28 for this. Throw it in your backpack, throw one in your car. You'll always have something, so that's a good thing. As always, have a great day. I'm Jim with NoCoastOutfitters.com. That's a great little product.